All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Depending on wherever you're watching from, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph, and welcome to Pips FX Academy. So, I do come here every morning to share my trade analysis, my signals, and also my forex journey with you. Do well to subscribe, click the notification bell, and also like and share. All right. So, please, guys, if you know you are not following us on Telegram, please join our Telegram channel so that you can receive free signals. We are sending signals, giving out signals for free. We are not asking you to pay anything. Just copy our trade and then you are good to go. All right, without wasting time, let's see what we have today. Today, I think I'm seeing something around GPJPY. Let's see what we're expecting for GBPJPY and the German 30 or the German 40 and probably GBP USD. Okay, if you have been following me for some time, I only trade two pairs. We are looking at two pairs for the day. Okay, so today we are looking at GBP JPY and GR40. Let me share my screen with you. All right, I hope you are seeing my screen. Okay, so this is what GBP JPY looks like this morning. If you go over to the daily time frame, now, if you all know that I use my daily time frame and to look for the overall direction of the market. Okay, what is the overall direction of the market for the higher time frame? And then what are we seeing here is that on the daily time frame, we have an uptrend. For the daily time frame, we have an uptrend. We see the market break structure here. So we put our horizontal ray right at the most recent origin. Okay, guys, if you understand, if you notice something, um, the horizontal ray is at the origin of this break of structure, and it also aligned with the support zone of this particular trend. Okay, it's an origin, it's a demand zone, and a support zone at the same time. All right, because we have some touches, market bounce from this place, it broke, it bounced. This was a support. This was a support before. This was a support before the market broke, came up again, tap, came up again, tap again, and the third time it shoots to the upside. So this is a strong zone. That's why we put our horizontal rate there. So if you go over to the 1 hour time frame, what are we looking for in the 1 hour? Every one of you know that on the 1 hour, that's where I look. Okay, guys. Sorry, guys, because of the network. So we had network issues just now. All right. So, but nevertheless, let's continue. And so we were on GBP JPY, and what are we seeing on the 1 hour time frame? I told you on the 1 hour, what I'm looking for is I just want to see my current trend on the 1 hour time frame, so that I know how to continue the market. All right. So what we are looking at here, we are seeing a high probability setup trying to form on GBP JPY. On the 1 hour, we see that we are in an uptrend. Okay, so this is the 1 hour demand zone. This is the demand zone on the 1 hour. Okay, this demand zone is responsible for this break of structure. Guys, I hope you are following up. Good. This is a break of structure that the 1 hour demand zone has caused, the most recent break of structure. Now we go to the 30 minutes time frame. What do we want to do? Remember, on the daily time frame, we are only plotting our demand zone, or rather our support or resistance zone. And then on the most recent break of structure, On the 1 hour, we are trying to look at the current trend. Okay, this is where we confirm the current trend, because sometimes the daily time frame can be going up and the dropping to the downside. So that's why we need to confirm what is the trend on the 1 hour. So we have confirmed that the daily time frame is in an uptrend, the 1 hour also is in an uptrend. So what are we looking out for on the 30 minutes time frame? We want to look out for our trading window. That's number one. Guys, I hope you are seeing my screen. From 7 a.m. If you have been following me for some time, you know that I don't take trade until 7 in the morning. 7, I come to the chart. I look for, first of all, I look for what? Liquidity sweep. I want to see a liquidity sweep, which has already taken place here on the 30 minutes time frame on Gbpjpy. Liquidity sweep. And if you activate the Asian range indicator, you see that the market is also rallying for the Asian range low liquidity. So we are expecting this low to be taken out. We are expecting this liquidity, Asian range liquidity, to be taken out also to double confirm the liquidity sweep and push up and then close with a bullish candle. It will close with a bullish candle above the moving average, and that's when we get our entry. So for Gbpjpy, what are we looking for? Is that we are looking for a push to the downside a little bit, more liquidity being taken, and then the market closes above the moving average. We test the moving average again, and that's when we are looking for entry to the upside. So if you are looking out on Gbpjpy for today, I think I will be looking out for a buy on Gbpjpy. And guys, except you are using another strategy that can tell you another thing, because trading is not about being right or wrong. Okay, so based on my strategy, my analysis is telling me to buy. All right, and I trust and I believe my strategy. So please, I'm looking out for a buy, and if my strategy aligns with what you are doing in the market, check the market and then see if also the market is telling you that a buy is coming. Then I advise you don't miss this trade. This setup is is looking very good. So guys, that's it for Gbpjpy. Let's go and see what we have for the German 40 index. Yes, the German 40. All right. So we caught a trade 2 days ago on German 40, and we closed this morning in profit, which is really good. We closed in profit. So we are going to enter another trade again for German 40 today. So that is by 9 for the German 40. We do not enter trade until 9 in the morning. So what we are having here now is, this is it, guys. Hope you are seeing my screen. All right. So what we have for German 40 here is that we are looking at German 40. Liquidity sweep has already taken place to the upside. But since we are looking at an uptrend, because let's go to the daily time frame. You find out here on the daily time frame, this was the most recent break of structure on the daily time frame, right? And then we get our demand zone. If you check this demand zone, you will notice something, that this demand zone also is connected to a support zone. All right, a support zone. Good. It's also connected to a support zone. If you check, market tested this area, bounce a little bit. All right, so we have other support from the resistance area. Okay, it was a support stone resistance rather. So we move to the 1 hour time frame to look for our overall market, the current market trend rather. Sorry guys. Current market trend on this guy. And what is it? Current market trend on GER40, the German 40, is what? Market pushes to the downside, and then we are looking out for something like this. We are expecting the German 40 to bump down to the downside, sweep liquidity again, and then give us something like this. That's what we're expecting. Move to the 30 minutes time frame and let's confirm it. So you got 30 minutes time frame that the German 40 is rallying down to take out the Asian range liquidity. Either it take out the Asian range liquidity or it took out this liquidity. This is a liquidity, guys. If you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you will see it. Yeah. See, this is a liquidity. So if the market takes out this liquidity, closes above the moving average, that's where we are looking for an entry again. German on German 40. So guys, Gbpjpy, we are expecting a buy. German 40, we are expecting a buy. So these are the two pairs that we are looking at for. And guys, please follow us on our Telegram community and subscribe to this channel. All right. I do come here every morning to share my analysis, what I'm looking out for the day, and also my forex journey with you guys. Let's grow this channel together and let's build this community. All right. The trading industry is a very wide and a very big community. We need each other's support and we need to come together in order for us to be able to be profitable. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. My name is Joseph. God bless you. All right.